Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt smoothie, updated. Blend yogurt, fruit, liquid, and optional sweetener until smooth. Start by choosing ripe fruit and plain or flavored yogurt. Add a splash of milk or water to adjust texture and ice for chill. Sweeten lightly with honey or maple syrup if needed. Taste and tweak the balance of tang and sweetness before serving in a chilled glass. Gather simple supplies and ingredients for a reliable smoothie. Measure 1 cup yogurt and about 1:1. 5 cups fruit, using frozen fruit for thickness without ice. Add 1/4 to 1/2 cup milk or liquid to help blending and reach your preferred thickness. Keep a spoon and glass nearby for tasting and serving. Fresh herbs, spices, or protein powder can be added to customize flavor and nutrition in seconds. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for music, timers, and hands-free recipe help while you cook. It makes blending easier when you set timers and play upbeat music. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if you want a smart kitchen boost. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by adding yogurt, fruit, and half the liquid to the blender, then pulse to combine. Increase speed and blend until consistently smooth, adding more liquid slowly to control thickness. If desired, add a teaspoon of honey or a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor and pulse briefly. Pour into a chilled glass, taste, and adjust sweetness or texture with more liquid or ice. Serve immediately for best freshness and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.